Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to view archived emails in the Gmail app for 2025. If you've ever archived an email to declutter your inbox and then struggled to find it, you're not alone. Archiving is a great way to hide emails from your main view without deleting them, but retrieving them is easier than you think. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Gmail app installed on your phone or tablet. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the hamburger menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines usually in the top left corner. Tap it to reveal the sidebar menu. In the sidebar, you'll see a list of labels and folders. Scroll down until you spot All Mail. This section includes every email in your account, including archived ones. Tap on All Mail, and you'll see all your emails laid out. Your archived emails will be there, mixed in with the rest. They won't have any special mark, but you can identify them by their absence from your inbox. If you're having trouble, use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords from the email, or try advanced search operators like in All Mail to filter results. For example, if you want to see only archived emails, you can search in Inbox is unread, or simply the subject line. Once you find an archived email, you can open it and unarchive it if needed. Just tap the three-dot menu in the email and select Move to Inbox or Unarchive. This brings it right back to your main view. A quick tip: to avoid future confusion, regularly check your All Mail folder or use Gmail's labels to organize emails better. And remember, archiving is reversible, so don't worry about losing anything permanently. There you have it. Viewing archived emails in the Gmail app is straightforward and saves you time. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.